Hey everybody, it's Carly. I'm back, and the new Kling AI 1.6 update is a game changer. Ever wondered how AI can revolutionize your video creation process? Well, the 1.6 release, delivered recently, is here to show you how. Kling AI has always been a top contender in the AI video space, but version 1.6 takes it to a whole new level. While we're all intrigued by VEO2 by Google, it's not out yet. When it does arrive, it may come with unwanted censorship and moderation. In contrast, we know the new Kling release offers mind-blowing improvements in prompt responsiveness, visual aesthetics, and physical realism. As you view video examples from the Kling YouTube channel and from my channel, I'll break down the features that make Kling AI 1.6 a must-have AI video tool that you should try right now. First up, version 1.6 has better prompt adherence. One of the biggest frustrations with AI video generation has been getting the output to match your vision. Kling AI 1.6 has significantly improved in this area. You just type in what you want to see, which could be as simple as a sorceress casting a spell, throwing balls of golden sparks. And Kling AI often nails it with remarkable accuracy for both text to video and image to video. This means less time spent tweaking and more time available for creating. Secondly, there is a huge processing performance boost in version 1.6. Internal assessments show that Kling AI 1.6 offers a 195% improvement in image-to-video generation capabilities compared to version 1.5. This translates to faster rendering times, the ability to handle more complex scenes, and smoother, more detailed animations. It's like they've injected this thing with rocket fuel. Third, the new version has more realistic motion physics. Forget those jerky robotic movements you see in some AI-generated videos. Kling AI 1.6 physics engine has been seriously upgraded. Liquids pour naturally, characters run, walk, and move with weight and momentum. Even elements like a sailboat's sail flapping in the wind look believable. This is a huge deal for making your videos appear cinematic and professional. And fourth, version 1.6 has sharper, richer visuals. Image quality has received major polish in version 1.6. Kling AI renders videos with vibrant colors, realistic lighting and shadows, and incredibly detailed textures. This enhancement eliminates typical issues like face or object morphing as scenes progress, setting a higher bar for future AI-generated content. While simple text-to-video generation works in some circumstances, I found more control and consistent video quality when I seed the AI with a good starting image. In this video, all my seed images were created in Midjourney version 6.1. Usually, I include a text prompt with the seed or starting image. Occasionally, I'll offer the seed image to Kling AI without any prompt at all, thus experimenting with Kling's interpretation of the scene. Surprisingly, I can get great image-to-video clips without a prompt. The clips demonstrated here affirm the fantastic quality and consistency the new release offers. Just imagine what future versions might offer for video creativity and quality. The Kling developers are certainly setting new standards for others to achieve. Finally, if you're serious about creating AI videos, check out Kling AI 1.6. It's free to try, and the results will blow you away. I'm genuinely excited to see what you create with this tool. Please comment below with your thoughts on Kling AI 1.6. Or, even better, share a link to something you've made with it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more AI awesomeness. Your support helps me bring you the latest in AI technology. See you next time!